हेलो दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है आपका अपना यूट्यूब चैनल द बैक बेंचर्स ऑफ पाथ ऑफ लर्निंग में। आज का हमारा वीडियो का टॉपिक है इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑन द इंडियन पॉलिटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच आर्टिकल डील्स विद द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड द अदर मिनिस्टर्स? द आंसर इज आर्टिकल 75. According to it, the prime minister shall be appointed by the president and the other minister shall be appointed by the president on the advice of the prime minister. The second question, the Supreme Court of India at present contains the following number of judges. There are currently 32 judges. Question number 3, who appoints the Lokayukta and Upalokayukta? The answer is the governor of the state. Question number 4, the number of seats reserved for the scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha. The answer is 84 seats are reserved for the scheduled caste. Question number 5, directive principles of state policy is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? The answer is the part 4 of the Indian Constitution. Question number 6, for the election commission at the district level, who acts as the district returning officer? The answer is district magistrate. Question number 7, who appoints the chief election commissioner of election commission? The answer is the president of India. Question number 8, when was the Central Vigilance Commission established? The answer is 1964. Question number 9, who prepared the preamble of the Indian Constitution? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 10, which article of Indian Constitution deals with constitutional amendments? The answer is Article 368. Question number 11, which article of the Indian Constitution has the provision of Finance Commission in India? The answer is Article 280. Question number 12, the representatives of the state in the Rajya Sabha are elected by? The answer is elected members of the State Legislative Assembly. Question number 13, the number of representatives of the Rajya Sabha from states and the union territories are? The answer is 238. Question number 14, how many numbers of members are nominated by the president to the Rajya Sabha? The answer is 12 members. Question number 15, which Amendment Act amended the preamble of the Indian Constitution? The answer is the 42nd Amendment Act. Question number 16, which article deals with the impeachment of the president? The answer is Article 61. Question number 17, the term of the office of the vice president? The answer is 5 years. Question number 18, which article deals with the tenure of the president? The answer is Article 56 of the Indian Constitution. Question number 19, which type of democracy do we follow in India? The answer is representative democracy. Question number 20, the writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights are issued by? The answer is Supreme Court. Question number 21, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 22, fundamental right to property has been deleted by which act? The answer is 44th Amendment Act. Question number 23. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Defence Forces? The answer is the President of India. Question number 24. By whom recommendation the fundamental duties have been added in the Indian Constitution? The answer is the Swaran Singh Committee. Question number 25. What is the minimum age to become a governor of a state in India? The answer is 35 years. Question number 26. Who was the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? The answer is Meera Kumar. Question number 27. Which act made the Indian legislature bicameral? The answer is Government of India Act of 1919. Question number 28. Who is the chairman of the National Disaster Management Authority? The answer is the Prime Minister of India. Question number 29. Which amendment is also known as mini constitution? The answer is 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Question number 30. Appointments of all India services are made by? The answer is the President of India.